What is good, everybody? Welcome back. I'm super excited today because I'm taking y'all through footage of me and my sister riding a boat in a monsoon, exploring islands in Thailand. I swear it felt like I was in a fantasy land, going through all these giant islands just emerging from the mist and the fog, not to mention the rain hitting our faces. We were in the front of the boat. Everybody else, there was like 35 of us on the boat entirely. Most everybody was inside the cabin. But we asked the guy driving if the bow was open, and he said, yeah, you can take those seats. So we didn't mind a little rain. It was like a little VIP area. Nobody else was up there. It was literally me and my sister. So on the bow, we were getting rocked by the waves, absolutely trucked on our way to the first island, wondering if it was a good idea to have sat up front, to be honest with you, but no, it was an absolute blast. First island we went to, kayaks. Out here kayaking on Hong Island with, what's your name? Harun. I even got to kayak myself a little bit. He pushed the paddle off on me so he could relax and enjoy his time. First and foremost, look at how high up these trees start on these islands. They're literally cliff faces. Some of the bottoms have even been eroded underneath the island, leaving these like teeth almost overhangs. It's crazy. Oh yeah, at that point, I also saw the bravest man I've ever seen in my life. Look at him. This man fears no god, human, or beast, risking his camera like that. After that, the weather got so bad that we actually had to make a stop at an island and just wait out some of the storm. Me and my sister taking refuge from the monsoon under these rocks. One of the last stops of the day was a Muslim village that's literally on docks. This community is home to around 1,600 people living on, again, just stilts, just the docks. They have everything from schools, mosques. They even built a football pitch, a soccer field, right there in the dock. Now, unfortunately, because of the weather, most of the town was shut down and closed. Everybody was indoors, weathering out the storm. So we were only able to access this one dining hall area where they gave us some bomb food, and it was delicious. Yeah, the storm kept coming while we explored a little bit more of the dock community, and then we got on the boat and headed out to our last destination. After some more rough seas, we made it to Ice Cream Cave, a long cave full of stalagmites and stalactites that look like dripping ice cream. This place was sick. We got flashlights and headlamps to explore through the cave, and at the very end is this little crevasse with light coming through. And when you step up to it and peek through, you get a little glimpse of paradise. Look at this beautiful crystal blue waters, amazing tropical forest rising up on steep mountain, just absolutely breathtaking. We had our fun getting back on the boat, had a crazy time riding back in. The fact that it was storming crazy made it so much more intense, put us in the present moment that much more, and really brought us into the beauty of Thailand. All right, pulling back into the dock. Has not stopped raining all day. You can ask Laura. Still ponchoed up. What a great day. I can't wait to get back and edit some of this footage. Until then, I gotta go get dry, so. Thank you guys so much for watching. Next episode, I'm gonna be co-hosting with my sister Laura, so make sure you're tuned in for that, where she gets attacked by a monkey at a Buddhist statue. And if you like this video, you know, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Thank you.